Ebola health screenings are now in effect at New York City's Kennedy International Airport. Travelers arriving from Liberia, Sierra Leone and Guinea will now have their temperatures taken. But health officials warn there's still no foolproof screening system.
No matter how many of these procedures are put into place, we can't get the risk to zero. That will not be the case, but this additional layer should add a measure of security and assurance to the American public.
Federal health officials say the enhanced Ebola entry screenings will expand to New Jersey, Newark, Washington, Dallas, Chicago and Atlanta next week. And customs officials say about 150 people travel daily from or through Liberia, Sierra Leone or Guinea to the United States, and nearly 95% of them land first at one of those 5 airports. While the procedure will add another layer of protection to halt the spread, health officials also admit it would not have caught and prevented Thomas Eric Duncan from entering the country with an infection. Duncan, the first person to be diagnosed with Ebola in the US, died on Wednesday in Dallas.